sometimes people hear a lot of my credentials and they're like, how did all this stuff end up? But when I was in graduate school, I worked my way through graduate school doing several jobs, but one of the jobs I did was selling real estate. So in early 1978, I qualified to take the Texas real estate broker's exam, and actually took it the week before I took the Texas State Bar exam. And just coincidentally, the first week of May of 1978, almost exactly 40 years ago, I received both my broker's license and my Texas bar card in the same week. So I've maintained my license, both bar card. I actually also am licensed for both law and real estate in the state of Virginia, which is kind of my adopted home state. So but that's how I ended up in that situation, and I've been working with Advantage Asset Management for about 4 years now, and then I agreed to be the broker for the company about 2.5 years ago. So I'm trying to help them out on both the legal front and the real estate front, and it's been very interesting to work with the company, the growth here. The company predominantly managed single-family homes in its early beginnings prior to the ownership, the current ownership, and then recently we've added we've added an apartment complex, a second apartment complex, and then kind of interesting, we have a condo that sometimes you develop a condo and it doesn't sell and it gets converted into rental. So they have a condo development that they're also working with. So kind of interesting path that we followed. And geographically, most of the properties are in the Woodlands, Conroe, and related areas. But for me, it's interesting because I'm in the Heights. I teach at the University of St. Thomas, which is in the Museum District. So, and I've worked all over Houston and have been a pretty good student of the Texas real estate market.